Kia ora tātou katoa. Look, it's fantastic to have everyone back with me here, Pouroto Ngaropo, just taking you through Te Wiki o Te Reo Māori. This is Māori Language Week. Koe nei, ngā mahi ko whakaarohi ai e hauora toi. This is recognition of the Bay of Plenty District Health Board in their commitment to Te Reo Māori Language Week. So, tōku Pepeha, my introduction to who I am in Māori. So we've done the basic introduction, so that's for everybody and anyone. Doesn't matter where you come from, you can use that structure. Very simple. But if you don't get the foundations right, ka kore, e tika ana tuapapa ko kore tō tika te tū o te whare. So if the foundations aren't right in terms of the Māori language, this basic structure we've given you to introduce yourself, then the foundation of the house cannot stand firmly, cannot stand strongly. So, tōku Pepeha, my introduction to you in Māori. So this is the advanced part now, stage 2. Right? Tōku Pepeha. Ko pūtawaki tōku maunga. So ko, everyone say that. Pūtawaki tōku maunga. Pūtawaki is my mountain. So what you've got to think about where you live. Say, what is the name of the mountain where you live? So, for example, if you live in Tauranga, you would make reference to Mauao, which is Mount Maunganui. So, if you're from Tauranga, you would make reference to your mountain and you would say, Ko Mauao, 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 Tōku, Maunga. Maunga, all right? Ko Mauao, tōku maunga. So for me, here in Whakatane and Matata in this area, it's Mount Etchkin, Pūtawaki. Ko Pūtawaki, tōku maunga. Okay, the next stage of your introduction in Māori, this is advanced to stage 2, level 2, taumata tuarua. You'd make reference to your river. So think about that, where you live, a significant river. Awa. Can you say that? Awa. Significant river. Awa. I can't hear you. Awa. Don't be afraid. This is all about building your confidence about speaking Māori. Don't be shy. If it comes out wrong, it's okay. This is about building your confidence and also not to be afraid and feeling safe to speak Māori. Because that's what Māori Language Week is all about. Supporting each other. Awa. So now I'm thinking, Pouroto, where, kei hia tō awa? Where's your river, Pouroto? I'm asking you, those that are watching this today, those that are listening to this today, what is the important river where you live? So where I live is Tarawera. So in introducing my river, or the river where I live, I would say this, Ko Tarawera, tōku awa. Ko Tarawera, tōku awa. All right? So you think about an important river where you live. So I'm just thinking in my mind and in my whakaaro at this time. So if you're in Tauranga, there are many rivers, like here in Whakatane, this area. You could say, Ko Waitao, tōku awa. Waitao is one of the Waitao falls, one of the rivers around in Welcome Bay. Depending on whether you live in Welcome Bay, or Te Pau, whether you live in Matapihi, or wherever you live in the Bay of Plenty District Health Board region, think of a significant river. Okay, the next part of my Pepeha, tōku Pepeha, my introduction to you in Māori, would be my home, where I live. The Māori word for home is kainga. Kainga. Ka-i-nga. Can you say that with me? Go. Ka, syllables, i-nga. Kainga. Okay? So that's all, look, lovely pronunciation together. Kainga. So my kainga, my home, is Matata. What's your home? So if you live in Kawerau, you'd say, Ko Kawerau, tōku kāinga. Kawerau is my home. Ko whakatāne tōku kāinga. Whakatāne is my home. Ko tōrere tōku kāinga. Tōrere is my home. Ko Opōtiki tōku kāinga. Opōtiki is my home. Ko Ruatoki tōku kāinga. Ruatoki is my home. Ko Te Puke tōku kāinga. Te Puke is my home. Ko Maketu tōku kāinga. Maketu is my home. Ko Pukehina tōku kāinga. Pukehina is my home. Ko Murupara tōku kāinga. Murupara is my home. Ko Minginui tōku kāinga. Minginui is my home. So wherever you live, wherever you feel your heart is, where you call your home, then you insert that there in that sentence structure. I'll go back to myself so that I can use that as an example. Ko matata tōku kāinga. Matata is my home. Now we're going to be a bit more advanced as well. We're going to make reference to Marai. So where I live, my Marai in Matata, there's 4 of them. My one, for me, is Ira Moko. So I would say in Māori, ko Ira Moko tōku Marai. Ira Moko is my Marai. So if you have a Marai, if you're Māori, then you make reference to your Marai. If you're not Māori, you can also make reference to a Marai where you live and talk about saying something like this. So if you're not Māori but you live in Te Puna, you might make reference to one of the Marais there. Ko tū te reinga, te Marai, o tōku kāinga. So tū te reinga is one of the Marai in my home in Tauranga. So you need to have a look to see where you feel comfortable. If you don't have to use that at all. Okay. Then we usually introduce the name of the meeting house. And I would say my meeting house is called Te Pai Tata. Te Pai Tata. And I would say this in Māori. Ko Te Pai Tata tōku whare tipuna. Te Pai Tata is my ancestral meeting house. Then I make reference to the dining room. Ko Ira Moko tōku whare kai. Ira Moko is my dining room. Then I make reference to the canoe of that area. So think about that, the canoe of your region where you are. So in Matata, the main waka, the main canoe for my people is Mātātua. It's the Mātātua canoe. Then I would say this. Ko Mātātua tōku waka. Ko Mātātua tōku waka. Ko Mātātua tōku waka. So as you get used to it, you just keep pronouncing it. Ko Mātātua tōku waka. Ko Endeavour tōku waka. So depending on ko Takitimu tōku waka, whatever you feel comfortable, ko Tainui tōku waka. So that is the name of the canoe that you feel comfortable with. My tribe is Ngāti Awa, and in Māori I would say this. Ko Ngāti Awa tōku iwi. Ko Ngāti Awa tōku iwi. Ngāti Awa is my tribe. My sub-tribe is ko Te Tāwera tōku hapu. Te Tāwera is my sub-tribe. Ko Te Ramapakura tōku rangatira. My main ancestor whom I descend from is Te Ramapakura. Ko Pouroto Ngaropo tōku ingoa. My name is Pouroto Ngaropo. So this is my Pepeha, tōku Pepeha. So I'll go through that now in one flow so you can follow me and you try and adapt it according to where you live, to your mountain, to your river, to the marae, to the tribe and the canoe in your name. Ko Putauaki tōku maunga. Putauaki is my mountain. Ko Tarawera tōku awa. Tarawera is my river. Ko Iramoko tōku marae. Iramoko is my marae. Ko Te Paitata tōku tipuna whare. Te Paitata is my ancestral meeting house. Ko Iramoko tōku whare kai. Iramoko is my whare kai. Ko Mātātua tōku aka, Mātātua is my canoe. Ko Ngāti Awa tōku iwi, Ngāti Awa is my tribe. Ko Te Tāwera tōku hapu, Te Tāwera is my sub-tribe. Ko Te Ramāpakura tōku rangatira, Te Ramāpakura is my main ancestor. Ko Pouroto Ngaropo tōku ingoa, and my name is Pouroto. Tihei Māori ora. I sneeze forth the breath of life. This is who I am. Kia ora tātou katoa.